Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss SN2 reaction mechanism. Now what SN2 is? It is bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now take a look. We consider one of the finest examples of SN2, that is the alkaline hydrolysis of methyl bromide. So when methyl bromide is boiled with aqueous alkalis like KOH, instead of KOH one can use NaOH as well. So when methyl bromide is boiled with aqueous alkalis like KOH, methyl alcohol is obtained, and this reaction follows SN2 path. So as far as kinetics of this reaction is concerned, look, experimentally it is determined that this reaction is second ordered. I mean, rate of hydrolysis depend both on concentration of substrate, that is methyl bromide, as well as concentration of nucleophile, and hence it is second order reaction, and we all know very well that order is experimentally determined. So by knowing the order of reaction, one can give the rate expression for this as follows. Now crucial thing is the mechanism of this reaction. Now remember, as far as mechanism of this reaction is concerned, it is one step, I mean single step. Look what happens. So this is the methyl bromide, I mean CS3Br, which can be given as, and OH minus is a nucleophile. So front side attack is not possible as bromine is there. Therefore, this nucleophile OH minus attacks on this methyl bromide from backside of carbon bromine bond like this. So due to backside attack, what happens? Attachment of nucleophile and separation of bromine takes place simultaneously, and that lead to the formation of a transition state. So transition state right here can be given as, look, remember, each and every reaction must have to pass through transition state before converted into product. So this is a transition state. In transition state, both entering group, that is nucleophile, and leaving group, both are partially connected to the carbon. Now this is highly unstable state of reaction which contain maximum potential energy. So further approach of nucleophile towards carbon lead to the departure of bromine in the form of Br minus, and that lead to the formation of a methyl alcohol which can be given as with the departure of bromide ion. Now when we compare the methyl alcohols obtained with our substrate, that is methyl bromide, as far as configuration of hydrogen is concerned, hydrogen atoms in case of methyl alcohol are found to get inverted in configuration as that in methyl bromide. This inversion is Walden inversion, and 100% product in SN2 is obtained by Walden inversion. Now stereochemistry behind this reaction is, instead of taking methyl bromide, if we would have taken optically active halide, so starting from dextrorotatory halide, we would receive a levorotatory alcohol. I mean total inversion can be seen in this reaction. Thus in SN2, 100% product is formed by inversion of configuration. Thank you very much.